po ka dito na.
You guys are like girls versus women. Put it on the ground.
Hawakan mo agad yung ulo. Go to the other side, Brett.
It's like that. It's like that. Oh, get it! It's a girl. Don't. I can tell it's a girl.
Dali, Alexa. Kabagal ah.
Yan.
Yung ulo agad. Ulo. Ulo! Ulo!
Scared.
Hindi.
Ret.
Why?
Yeah.
I can't get it. Kuya, kunin mo.
Saan ba?
You know, it's so like it's a camouflage.
Yan na.
Let me see you. You see it? You found a snake?
Yeah.
Where?
Over there.
Dive it.
It's a camouflage. I
Here.
could probably get it.
You have one already.
You have one, you're holding one.
Yeah. Aren't you afraid?
Nakakatakot ko anin.
Yeah, cause then it can.
Ayun na,
scared to
nakatigil
get you.
siya. Get it.
Where?
Nakatigil na ito. Oh.
Where is it? Where is
It's right
it?
here.
Taking a rest. Maybe.
Oh my god, it's right there.
It looks kind of nice. What?
Aray.
That's what happens when you're going too fast. Because I feel like it'll bite me. Cause
No.
It's like no.
Takot ni Sergi.
Yeah.
I know he's
RJ is scared too.
You got the snake?
Yan.
Yan. There's one.
I got it.
Yun, Alexa.
scared.
Sabi ko sa'yo, half of the body. Oh, here. That's one.
Grab the body, not the
Yeah.
tail.
Yay! Yun. He grabbed it. Good job.
It's like it's wrestle.
Kunin mo, Ret. Bilisan mo. You're so slow, Ret. Be very fast.